Imagine a world where education is accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. New York is making strides in this direction with its innovative free community college program, which has already attracted an impressive 16,500 applicants. This ambitious initiative, backed by a $47 million investment, aims to cover tuition costs for adults eager to enter high-demand job sectors, including fields like artificial intelligence, nursing, and renewable energy. Governor Kathy Hochul recently highlighted the program's success during a visit to LaGuardia Community College, a part of the City University of New York, CUNY system, located in Long Island City, Queens. Since we began promoting this initiative just a few months ago, over 16,000 individuals have signed up. And these are lives we are poised to transform for the better, she stated, emphasizing the program's potential impact. Hochul views this initiative as a crucial step toward broadening access to higher education and securing well-paying jobs for New Yorkers. She believes it will not only enhance the state's workforce, but also provide vital support to community colleges. While CUNY saw a 6% increase in enrollment last year, it still has not returned to the levels seen before the pandemic. To qualify for this program, applicants must be between the ages of 25 and 55. The eligible degree programs extend beyond just the popular fields mentioned earlier. They also encompass advanced manufacturing, cybersecurity, engineering, technology, and education. According to college officials, around 7,000 adults have expressed interest in the free community college option at CUNY, while an additional 9,000 have shown interest at the State University of New York, SUNY. Although there is no guarantee that all applicants will enroll, Hochul remains optimistic, asserting that the current interest is indicative of the program's potential to be a game-changer for many. When questioned about whether the degree programs are already available at CUNY, or if new ones are being developed to meet the demand, Chancellor Felix Matos Rodriguez suggested a combination of both approaches. We aimed to create a responsive infrastructure to meet early demand while also allowing for future growth, he explained. In addition to covering tuition, the program also takes care of fees, books, and supplies, provided that all other financial aid options have been utilized. Furthermore, it allocates funds to SUNY and CUNY to support adult students throughout their educational journey, including resources for academic advisors and student success coaches. To raise awareness about this initiative, CUNY is launching a $1.2 million marketing campaign that will promote the program through online platforms as well as on public transportation, such as subways and buses. Governor Hochul has expressed her commitment to maintaining these investments, even in light of potential federal budget cuts that could arise under the Trump administration. In the face of detrimental policies from Washington, it would be short-sighted for us to withdraw support from a new program that we believe will be immensely successful. More people in the workforce means more tax revenue, which benefits everyone, she asserted. This initiative raises important questions about the future of education funding and accessibility. Will this program truly change lives, or are there underlying challenges that could hinder its success? We invite you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below.